The tree turned from green to red. So now in February it's going to drop all its leaves, and by March it's gonna start bringing new leaves again. See how pretty that looks. I don't know what kind of tree it is, but it does that every year. I'm outside in the backyard. Let's see if you can see the birds on the other side of the lake. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. This bird is still up there. There's a bird up there in the top of the tree. That tree is just so pretty. The water is so nice today. There's a breeze and the water is just gorgeous. Killing the weeds off the hibiscus tree. Did you see that bird just flew right past by me? It is beautiful outside today. That's what it is. The phytos plant. Big. It's windy today, but that's the phytos plant. Progress on my pineapple. Number 1. Ooh, number 2. Where's number 3? Number 3 hiding. Number 3. And then number 4. Progress. They are coming along. My pineapples are coming along. This one doesn't have anything yet. And remember that tree I showed you? With all the red leaves? It's almost gone. And it's everywhere. Now this is the grass. We had weeds on the hibiscus tree, so we're killing the weeds on the hibiscus tree. Dry weeds. We're trying to get the weeds out, but in the process some of the hibiscus is dying, and I like the hibiscus, but now as you can see it's all dry. All we have to do is pull it out and clear it, but it's growing a little again already. That tree is empty now. Well, almost empty. So I'll show you the progress of the tree, how it's all the leaves are falling and it's raked on the side, and some of it is in the water. It's such a beautiful day today, and there are 2 ducks all over there. They're diving. Let me see if I can bring it wider. They actually are diving in the water. They're all the way in the distance swimming. I have no food for you. Let's see if they dive. Yep, one dive. Yep, they dive. This is a banana tree. But it's beautiful outside today. This is the sky. The sky is gorgeous. Just walking barefooted on the ground, getting recharged. But see all these shells? Ooh, that was a fish. Ah, did I scare you? A fish or a turtle? Which one are you? I think I just scared something. I got close to the water and it dived or jumped in. The fish like to stay right here in the weed area section. But see all the snail shells by the water, by the water's edge, right by the water. Oh, see this? Another plant growing on the tree. Here it is. So cute. It's growing right on the branch. I'm down by the lake today. Just taking a walk. That's the water. And it's so nice out here today. Beautiful. The, make it wider. The crows are back. They come that time of year. Can you hear them? They are on the tree. And they are making a lot of noise. They are back. Every time of year, about that time they come back. You hear them? They're singing. Going closer to the tree. See them? They're everywhere. Night is falling. It is about 6:30 and this is the tree bare. Hardly any leaves left on it. That is what it's looking like right now. And this is what outside is looking like. That's a bird in the distance. This is the night. This is the night water. This is what the water looks like. See over here the sun is going down so it looks brighter. This is the water, but over here is a little darker, and this is the tree. Let's see what my pineapple is doing. Progress, progress, progress. This one has nothing yet. This one, the pineapple is getting bigger. This one has 3. It shooted 3 sections. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. All of this is from the same pot. So that's doing good. The pepper tree did not survive the hot sun today, but as soon as we water it, will bounce back. And let's see what the other pineapple looks like. This one is not ready yet. And this is the grass. All these little trees, not trees, little flowers comes up. And they are so pretty. They're all over the grass. That's them right here. This one is colorful. Where is it? This one is colorful right there. Right there. And then the other one over there. And these are cute. Where is it? I'm saying it's cute, but I can't even see it. Here it is. This one right there. And then the progress on the tree. This is what the tree is starting to look like. The buds are coming in. The new leaves are coming in. This is what it looks like, the progress of the tree. And there's a big old iguana. I don't know if you can see it on the branch. Where is it? It's right here. A big old iguana blending with the tree. But this is what it is. A plane in the background.